Do you ever have a problem where your 3D prints don't come off the glass bed, and you could pry it off with a scraper, but it damages the part and scrapes your surface covering, in this case glue stick, off the bed? So a trick is you can use a freeze spray. It's like an electronics freeze spray. This one is from MG Chemicals, but basically anything works. And you just give a light spray on top of your part, and then it just comes off. When it first comes out, it looks a little bit bent, but as soon as you warm it up, just sort of let it sit in room temperature or put it against your hands, it sort of goes straight again. And because you're not using very much of this, it lasts forever. So these cans aren't super cheap. I don't remember what they cost, but it's not extremely cheap, but it also lasts forever.